Hey editors! Today I'm finally releasing my own After Effects script called EDITZ. I spent a lot of time building this script to make editing faster, and the best part is, it's completely free. Let me show you what it can do. With just one click, you can instantly create adjustment layer, white solid, black solid, text layer, null object. Camera need to organize your project? Simply select your layers and click Precompose selected. For effects, you can instantly apply deep glow, drop shadow, bevel alpha. No more searching through the effects panel every time. For positioning, the script also includes center, horizontal center, vertical center, align, plus anchor. These tools help you align layers perfectly in just one click, saving you a lot of time during editing. Now let me show you how to install it. First, download the script from the link in the description or the pinned comment. After downloading, copy the script file. Open your After Effects installation folder and go to Support Files, Scripts, ScriptUI Panels. Paste the script into the ScriptUI Panels folder. Now, restart After Effects if it's already open. After reopening, go to Window, scroll down, and you'll find EDITZ. Click it, and you're ready to use the script. I genuinely worked hard to create this tool, and I'm giving it away 100% free to help the editing community. If you find it useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment what features you'd like to see in the next update.